so much?
You're gonna let Lilo in or keep him out?
Well, you can let him in. He wanted to go outside. As soon as he comes back in, he's going to be out the door. He'll want to go outside again. Don't tell me this. He's throwing peas at you. May. You need some more peas? You like the peas? You like the peas? A little bit sweet, huh? Peas are good. Especially the ones your mom makes. Last bite. It's the last one you have to eat. You don't have to eat anymore if you don't want it. Good girl. She always looks at the camera, Will, like she knows if there's a camera.
It's the red light. She's looking at the red light. Oh, you little bumblebird.
One more. Don't shove the red light in her eye.
It doesn't do anything.
She's little. She's not like you. You're just gonna record moving it around like that.
Huh?
I like to see you play it back. See what it looks like.
Why?
Because it's gonna be all over the place.
No, it's not.
Good, huh? Would you like some more? You look like you would like some more. I didn't think you would like it.
Can I try some?
Get another. Get a
I
clean
want to see what
spoon.
it's like.
It's just peas.
This old bumblebird, her played one, her played knick-knack on my bumblebird. For knick-knack, a paddywhack, go-dog-a-boom. Careful she don't choke on it. There's a lot of skin in there. A lot of loose skin.
I know. That's why I'm going skimming off the top.
Not pureed very well. Is that good stuff, Miss May? Is that good stuff for you? Is that good stuff for you, you old bumblebird? Look at this.